welcome to the Great Big Challah Bake. We're so excited that all of you are here tonight. It's going to be a night of true beauty and inspiration, and everybody here tonight is going to take away something powerful. Over 300 women in one room doing an amazing mitzvah together. There's no way it's not going to affect people for life.
Hi, we're about to do this amazing mitzvah of baking challah and taking off a piece. We will make the bracha and we will pray for everybody's well-being and safety. And this is a tradition, a mitzvah that women have been doing for thousands and thousands of years. It's actually one of the 3 mitzvahs of the Jewish women. Those are lighting Shabbat candles, taking the challah, and the mitzvah of family purity, which includes the use of the mikveh. So we're going to be doing this mitzvah all together. We're actually joined by many women in many countries and many cities, and it's going to be a very powerful moment. We will sing, we will dance. Everybody loves a good challah.
To be here tonight. Just came back from New York and I cannot get over this magnificent room turning out to be baking challah, which is so important. This is my second baking challah in Florida, and very excited, and I want to say thank you to everybody who put this magnificent effort together, and I'm sure it's going to be very successful. Thank you.
I can talk. That's to go. I videotaped for a second. Okay, this was an amazing evening. The energy in this room is unbelievable. I want to thank everybody for coming, and I hope you're going home not only with your challah, but with inspiration to go out and change the world. Shabbat Shalom.